And I remember one major event took place in 1989 at the 200th anniversary of the French Revolution, when Gorbachev and Bush met in Paris. And it was the first time in which the Soviet government formally asked for international monetary loans. In other words, the Soviet government had, in a sense, implicitly joined the global economic system to the extent of being willing to take credit, build credits. That was quite a significant event. I remember people talking a lot about it among the Western allies, because it was unexpected and it was a major shift in where things were going.